Welcome to this tutorial. How to update drivers. In the search bar at the bottom, type Device Manager. Click on Open Device Manager. Select a device from the list that you want to update the driver. Right-click on the device name and then click on Update Driver. You can search the driver by clicking on Search Automatically for updated driver software or Browse my computer for drive software. We have clicked on the Search Automatically option. Windows will search online for any new driver and will install if any new update will be available. See, there's no new update available for our audio device, so it is showing a message that the best drivers for your device are already installed. Click on the Close button and then close the Device Manager window. See, that wasn't hard at all. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel.